another vlog. So today's a Saturday and we are heading out. Pupunta kami sa stores. Pick up muna namin si mom as usual. And it's just a typical weekend. It's raining. Kaya ang OOTD natin ngayon or OOTD ko today ay medyo pang malamig dahil medyo windy and medyo chilly sa labas. So I'll show you ang aking outfit for today's video. I'm wearing my Nike hat. Thank you, Mama Mirna. And then, ito ay hoodie ni Dex, Super Mario. And then, aking favorite na bag. Na matagal na Target bag ito. So, socks and then leggings. So, this is how I look like. Very simple lang. Ayan, para napapahilig ako ngayon sa mga mga hoodie. Kasi nga dito sa Alaska, it's super like chilly naman for the most part. And pag winter, nagagamit ko sa ng bahay. Pero ito first time ko lang sa Otento. So, pininigan natin ang hoodie ni hubby. Actually, gift ko sa kanya to dahil mahilig siya Super Mario. But anyway, ayan ang ating OOTD. Alis na kami ni hubby. It's raining. Grabe, umuulan at medyo malamig, guys. We're gonna pick up mom first and then we'll head to Safeway and then Walmart. Ginawa ko. Are you cold, dear? Nope. He's used to it. I don't know what's going on. There's a police or whatever. Maybe there's a fire going on. See, there's a police car. Alam nyo guys, dito sa US, napaka-polite na mga tao.
Well, not all of them are.
I know, but still, look at this car. Dear, Kia. EV6, ang ganda ng color, oh. But anyway, yeah. We were saying na people here are more polite than the people sa Pilipinas. Kasi doon, naalala ko, dear, when let's say there's an emergency or there's a fire truck or police, instead of people moving on, they will move on the side. But the thing is, they will just keep on following. They will just follow the police, yung same lane. Unlike here, you would really have to stop. So, hands down ako sa mga tao dito. Medyo disciplined. I would say disciplined yung mga tao dito compared sa Pilipinas or sa ibang bansa. But, guess what? Hindi ako makapag-drive basta-basta dito. Although I know how to drive. I really prefer driving in the Philippines because I started driving there anyway. That's why I'm used to it. Kahit nasabi mo na half an inch or 2 inches na lang yung gap niya ng kabilang car. But anyway, ayan nga, malakas ang ulan. And yeah, we'll just go to the store and we'll show you what we got. Or we'll show you kung anong kukunin ko sa store. Meron kami listahan. Sana hindi ko nakalimutan. I think I did forget it. I forget the list, but I have it on my phone. But anyway, yeah, we'll just get whatever we need and then we'll head home. Okay. Sa Safeway ngayon ni Mother. So, titingin ako ng tinapay. Naiwan ko yung listahan ko. Ako ng bread. Siguro itong sourdough na lang. Sourdough. Ayan. Rice cakes na favorite ni hubby. Kuha tayo dito. Parang ang mahal. We'll check kung anong masarap. So, ito ay $3.99 and the Quaker Oats is like almost $6. So, ayan. Later, kasi ang lakas ng music. Tapos, pakita ko na rin yung mga pinamili ko later. Okay? Hello, gorgeous! We are back home. At syempre, hindi naman tayo nakapag-vlog dahil nga, lagi nila kami nagmamadali. Kasi nga dito guys, mabilisan. Siyempre kahit naman saan dito, especially sa US, mabilisan ang kilo. So, wala na akong time mag-vlog or anything. Tsaka super dami ng tao kayo. For some reason, ang daming tao kayo nag-uulan. But anyway, I will show you kung ano yung mga napamili namin sa Walmart tsaka sa Safeway. Again, disclaimer, hindi sumasama si hubby sa store kasi he'd rather parang stay sa car. Kasi nga sometimes he had to move like parking spots. But yun lang. Anyway, I'll show you what we got sa Safeway at sa Walmart. So, unahin ko na yung Walmart kasi sa Walmart meron kami ice cream na binili. So, bakit kami bumili ng ice cream? Dahil naglalaway kami ng banana split and I was supposed to buy the separate strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate na ice cream. But, Neapolitan ang pinili ko para andito na lahat ng flavors. Honestly, mas gusto ko yung Kroger na brand. Kaya lang nasa Walmart na kami and it's cheap. So, there's nothing wrong in buying great value brands kasi pare-pareho lang yan. And kung di masarap, then we can always look for something else in the future, right? So, I'm just gonna put this in the freezer. Next ay itong mahiwagang tahong mussels. Cook na ito. All natural. Pwede mo siyang i-microwave. Pero ako, kahit cook na, niluluto ko pa rin. Nilalagyan ko ng ano yung mga panggisa mix, sayote, ano pa ba? Yun yung mga ganun lang. Tapos may ginger, may spinach. Ganun yung mga ginagawa namin. And then, sometimes we also put lemon or lime, whatever is available. Yeah, you can also use this sa mga pang baked cheese tahong. Okay lang naman din kasi cook na to tsaka malinis na. So, I'll just put this in the fridge or in the freezer. Next ay aming favorite zero sugar na mango passion juice. Ito yung favorite ko talaga. Zero sugar. I know not because it's zero sugar ay healthy, okay? Don't consume too much zero sugar kasi meron pa rin added sugar like yung mga stevia. Pero, again, wag lang lagi-lagi tayo bibili ng ganun. Ito ay para lang sa, sa aming cravings, kumbaga, diba? So, ayan, nalagay ko na sa fridge. Tapos, isisingkit ko na rin binili ko sa, sa Safeway or Cars na creamer. Mura yung Lucerne na brand. Lalo na yung eggnog nila. Nagustuhan ko talaga yun kasi na-recommend ni Sis Angel Valdez. So, ayan. Kung nanonood ka man ngayon, shoutout sa'yo ulit, sis. Kasi sa kanya ako lagi nakakita ng ideas ko rin masarap talaga na i-grab sa grocery. So, ayan. Back to Walmart. Meron tayong snackers sa seafood na ano ba ito tawag dito? Imitation lang to na crabs para dun sa ating salad. And I also got the uncured turkey bacon. I don't usually buy this brand. Mas gusto ko yung turkey, ano ba ito, yung parang butterball. Pero wala kaninang brand na yon sa Walmart. So I had to buy this. Kasi gusto ni Bobby ng turkey na bacon. And then, singit ko yung sa Safeway, $3.55, thin cut na pork chop. Mas gusto ko pa rin talaga sa Kroger compared to Cars. But then again, kung nasaan kami mapadpad, doon kami pumupunta, kailangan talaga maging smart ka lang. Kung couponer ka, walang masama doon. Gamitin mo yung membership mo, yung mga phone number mo, walang masama doon para makakuha ka ng magandang deals, diba? And then next is honey turkey breast. Ito yung pambaon namin ni Hubby. And then, this butter na move over butter, whipped with sweet cream buttermilk. This was actually on sale, like $2.19. Siguro sinisale nila kasi wala masyadong bumibili. Not because it's not good, but it's a little bit more expensive than other butters. But, yung binibili namin na bonnet pa yun, pareho lang ng nutrition facts. Actually, mas okay to kasi less yung sodium. So, we'll give it a shot and see if it's really good. Next is yung light cream cheese na favorite ni Hubby. And then, bumili kami ng 1 dozen eggs lang para meron kaming stock sa aming fridge. I got crushed pineapple. Gagamitin namin siguro to sa aming banana split. And then, pineapple tidbits. Ayan. Para sa ating mga ulam, adobo, or kung ano man yung mga pininyahang ulam na pwede natin iluto. Diba? We got the maraschino cherries. Para sa ating para sa ating banana split. And this does not expire until next year. So, it should be good for almost a year. I honestly don't know if I still have chopped walnuts. I don't think so. Kasi iba to eh. So, ito yung nilkong chopped walnuts. Ika-crush namin. I know we're supposed to use like the regular peanuts or crushed peanuts. I didn't see those. Pero, I would rather use walnuts. And it's okay. Basta may nuts. Banana split pa rin yan, diba? These were actually on sale clearance, $3 each or $3.50 each. And I used to buy these, the vanilla and hazelnut, pero I stopped buying it kasi nga parang mahal-mahal, parang $8, $9. So, nag-sale, tinake advantage ko para may stock tayo. Dadalhin ko sa work yung isa just in case na mag-crave ako ng iced coffee. Yeah, I actually plan to bring a lot of stuff at work para meron ako na like yung sarili kong ice or whatever. So, yeah. And then, binili ko naman yung pinakamura. Dahil na-try ko na to dati, parang Hershey's din. Great value na sugar-free chocolate flavored syrup made with Splenda. So, para sa banana split. And, this is not really, that bad, you know. It doesn't expire until 2026. Tingin ko yung binili ko sa Safeway. Rice cakes, white cheddar. Pambaka namin ni Hubby yan. And then, the Alaska Grains Spinard Sourdough bread. Ayan. Maganda ang sourdough bread. Mas healthy kasi sugar niya 1 gram, dietary fiber 1, saturated fat 1.5. Pero yung sodium is a little high, 180 per slice. But then again, ganun talaga. Kailangan mo na i-balance out, diba? So, ayan. Favorite namin bread ni Habi ko ngayon. We kind of stopped buying the, whatchamacallit, Kroger brand na honey wheat and Walmart brand. Kasi, pinabasa ko yung nutrition facts, mas okay pa rin to. Although it's a little price, like $2 higher. It's okay. Kasi, you know, although I buy or we buy great value brands, parang bonus sa SM, diba? Meron pa namang quality products ang Great Value or Walmart. Pero when it comes to like bread or whatever, we always get we just want to get the best breads out there. So dahil hindi naman kami masyado ma-rice, umili ako na maliit para may stock lang kami. Siguro next time bago mag-winter. Bago mag-winter, mag-huge grocery talaga kami. Dahil, para may stock na kami ng mga pagkain, lalo na sa freezer namin. So, rice. Siyempre, di mawala ang chocolates. So, dahil nag-iiwas si Habi ng super tamis, pinili ko siya ng dark chocolate. I think this is like 75% cacao with orange. And then, I got this Hershey's Symphony. I know, wag niyo ako i-judge kasi nasa fridge lang to. Pag nakikita ko, parang nasatisfy na ako. Nasatisfy na yung cravings ko. But it doesn't mean that I'm going to like eat them all or eat it all, diba? Root beer. Zero sugar just in case gusto na mag-float or Coke float or root beer float ni Habi. We also got bananas kasi what's the purpose or what's the use of having to make banana split if we don't have bananas, right? So, baka makapagawa kami tomorrow ng banana split. And then, meron tayong strawberries here. Maliit lang binili ko. I have to wash these pa. And then, meron kami 1 pack of water downstairs. I'm thinking if we still bought anything else. Let me check. Actually, yun lang yung mga pinamili namin. Tapos, meron pa naman mga laundry soap dito. Ang nakalimutan ko, guys, is yung listahan ko ng index card. I think na-mention ko na yung kanina. Pero, wala naman talaga kami kailangan bilhin na non-food, to be honest. I wanted to try this, what do you call this? Persil Ultra Packs Everyday Clean. So, sa dishwasher namin, ginagamit namin mga packs, diba? So, I wanted to see if this is really worth it. Kasi I feel like, if this works best sa mga clothes, I would just buy these. Kasi, 4 packets or 3 packets nito. Ano siya, parang XL na laundry na. So, maraming load na. Pero, alam naman tayo mga Pinoy, mga Asians, mahilig tayo sa mga babango. So, gusto natin clean. Kasi nasanay tayo sa Pilipinas, syempre, iba sa atin na doon lumaki. Nasanay tayo na nagda-dry sa labas. Tapos, naamoy natin yung Surf or yung Ariel, diba? So, ayan. Harap kami ng alternative. But yeah, yun yung mga pinamili namin. And the total cost sa Walmart, ha? Ay $107.15, which I think is not bad. But I also had to spend a few dollars, like $15 at Save for Your Cars. And that's just fine. Yeah, so sabi naman ni Habi na ang budget namin this weekend is $150 or less than $150. So I think I only got to spend like $122 today. And it's gonna last us for a long time. Kasi ako talaga hindi ako magluto kahit hindi ako super galing magluto or hindi ako yung the best cook wife, kumbaga. But, I try my best and syempre, dahil nasa Alaska kami, hindi naman, you know, I mean, there's a lot of restaurants here, but not compared to other states or lower 48. So, ang style dito is kung nag-crave ka, just cook it, make it. Just buy the ingredients, which is cheaper. And we're the type of people, kaming nakaasawa, hindi kami like super picky, hindi kami maluho sa mga kung anong bagay-bagay, if that makes sense. But anyway, other than that, nag-enjoy naman kami sa aming grocery na ako lang din naman ng, what do you call this? Ako na lang din yung dumampot-dampot kasi nga naiwan ko yung aming, what do you call this? Index card o yung list namin. So next time, hindi ko siya kakalimutan. So if may nakalimutan pa kami, I don't think meron talaga, kundi yung parang bath soap, pero may stock pa naman kami. Tsaka, yung iba sa Costco na binibili, like yung mga toilet paper towels. So, yun lang. I hope you enjoyed this haul video again. And ako kayo na idea sa budget thing. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on my next vlog. Hopefully with hubby na ulit. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See ya! Bye! Nagsisingit nga pala ako. Alam ko na-close ako ng vlog. Pero, meron pala kang biniling cheese. Sliced cheese. And yung Temptations na Makara. Kasi baka sabihin niyo, oh, 107 pero yun lang. Kaya pala sabi ko, para may kulang. So, nilabas ko na lang sa fridge para ipakita sa inyo. So, yun lang. Bye!